You must try this, how to change your appearance with the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, I don't know if anybody has told you recently that you are perfect, that you were born perfect. You are absolutely perfect. You are an emanation from the perfected universe. You're an emanation from the perfect God. You can't be anything but perfect. High flyers, you are one of a kind. There is nothing like you anywhere else in the cosmos. You are one of a kind. You are perfect. You are an original. Now, you might say, well, my nose is too big, or my forehead is too high, or I'm too short, or my feet are too flat, or I'm too tall, I'm too skinny, I'm too fat. But those are all perceptions. Those are all value judgments. They have no basis in reality. They have absolutely nothing to do with you. They're just opinions. Maybe your own opinion, but it's still an opinion. And oftentimes it's based on modeling, advertising, glamour magazines, all that kind of stuff, television, movies. Look, you can buy into that and spend the rest of your life chasing your tail. Or you can choose to accept your own perfection right now. When you accept that you are perfect, that God made you perfect from the very beginning, when you accept that and you have no flaws, listen, if your nose is too big, it's not a flaw, it's a big nose, okay? But if you accept it, then from that basis, you can start to really and truly love who you are, your uniqueness. Almost all of the great men and women in history were unique. There was something about them that made them stand out. There was something about them that was unique. A mole that they got teased for as a child, yet they became a famous model. Being overweight and black, yet she got an incredible TV show and is a multi-millionaire, billionaire today. You know, whatever it is that you think is your detriment, oftentimes, high flyers, is your asset. But should you decide to change yourself, not to please someone else, but to please yourself, I'm going to share with you ideas on how to do that. But first, I think it's very important that you understand that you are already perfect. Once you have that as your basis, everything else gets better and better. I remember a guy growing up, my parents and grandparents loved him. He was an actor, a comedian, a singer, a songwriter, had his own TV show. His name was Jimmy Durante. He was a little guy with a bald head and a big nose about like to this. Jimmy Durante. If you would have saw this guy walking down the street, you'd say, wow, how's he going to be anything but a janitor? Yet he was famous and he empowered so many people. He helped so many people get their career going. You know, you can do the same thing. You are absolutely beautiful. Say it right now. I am absolutely beautiful. Now, high flyers, I was looking at a picture of my little son Julian the other day when he was right out of the womb, when he was a little guy. And he doesn't look like that anymore today. Oh, there are some similarities, but he looks very different. We are in constant motion. We are vibratory energy, and therefore we are always transforming and changing. There is a saying, a line in an ancient invocation that says, changing ever, yet ever the same. So the same spirit that was in this little baby is now in this toddler running around the house, and will be in this young man going to high school someday, and will be in this man who has a wife and children someday. The same spirit, the same energy, the same core vibration will be in this older man who's retired. You see, we are eternal beings. We are transcending. We are on a journey. And so, because your physical body is constantly in motion, it's constantly changing, you have the ability to change how it looks. So high flyers, I think the first thing, number one, is you must become absolutely certain that you are changing your appearance. And you're doing it for the right reason, okay? You're doing it perhaps because you view your body as a living piece of art. But you are changing the way you look absolutely and with certainty. There can't be any doubts. I wonder if I can do it. Is it possible? You need to get beyond that place, that way of thinking, and say, listen, I am co-creator of my own body, of the way I look, and the way I function in this world with the infinite universe. And therefore, all things are of my design. All things. You have attracted the way you look now, and you can attract the way you're going to look tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after. It's amazing. You have this incredible power to literally transform how you look, but you must have absolute certainty that you have this power. High flyers, once you give up that absolute certainty and you buy into the world of doubt, then that will be all you attract. You won't attract change, you'll attract doubt. So number two is very important. It's extremely important. So I'm going to explain this slowly so that you understand it. I want you to look at a physical picture or pictures of the way you'd like to look. I want you to look at it. I want you to stare at it. I want you to memorize it. Then I want you to close your eyes and feel it coming into you. And see and feel yourself as if you are changing or have already changed. Give the universe and give your biology a goalpost, something to aim for. So you look at the external picture, you see it clearly, you close your eyes, and you become it. You become what you see. You feel your body literally changing, becoming taller, your hair growing, whatever it is you're after, losing weight, you're thinner now, okay? You see the difference. But more importantly, high flyers, you feel the difference. You feel it. So see it, bring it in, feel it. Feel that difference. So next, high flyers, after you have seen an external picture and then brought it into your mind and visualized or felt, it's more of a feeling thing, felt yourself transforming into that picture, then open your eyes. Open your eyes, relax, and take your hands and reach up above your head. And visualize that you are tapping in to infinite light, the creative force of the universe. And feel a white ball of light above your head, and you are holding it in your hands, a glowing, energetic ball of infinite power and light. Pull it down, and as you pull it down, breathe in. Breathe in, Breathe in. Feel that energy, that light, that power pouring and flowing through your body. And then again, close your eyes and feel yourself becoming the picture of what it is you desire to look like. And you can repeat this 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 times in a row if you want. You can do it over and over. Obviously, the more time that you put into it, the more energy you put into it, the more certain and the quicker and the more permanent your transformation will be. So high flyers, do this exercise every day. And then the next point, and I think this is extremely important, act as if you're already transformed. Act as if you've lost 50 pounds. Act as if you've grown new hair. Act as if you're an inch taller. Act as if your nose is a little shorter. Act as if your eyes have changed color. Act as if, and look at it, if you're going to go out shopping and you're changing your eye color, look at, buy clothing that will match your new eye color. Okay? Just act. Act as if you're already there. I don't know how to describe it. You just feel it. I'm already there. I'm already there. I'm new. I've changed the way that I look. I changed the way people see me. And that's incredible. But you have to believe it and then do the exercise and then top it off by acting as if. Well, high flyers, number 6 is challenge your limiting beliefs, because over the next days and weeks, you might develop limiting beliefs. When is it going to happen? When am I going to see it? Is this ever going to work? Challenge those limiting beliefs. I am absolutely certain that I am, not I want to be. I am taller. I am thinner. I am stronger. Whatever it is that you desire to change, challenge it and then follow it up with a positive I am affirmation. And finally, high flyers, don't wait for your eye color to change or your hair to grow or anything else to happen to begin living. Live fully right now with gratitude, because as you live fully with gratitude, I'm so grateful for every part of my body, for my transformational body. I am absolutely grateful for my connection to Source. Focus on gratitude. Focus on higher vibrations, because listen, when you're down here and everything is slow, it's like cement, and your energy field and your body and your biology becomes slower and heavier. It becomes like cement. We know that our mind can affect our body and vice versa. It is a body-mind. So when you are at a state of low vibration, the ability to change is very, very slow. But when you're at a higher vibration, filled with gratitude, filled with love, filled with enthusiasm and happiness and excitement and passion, then your ability to manifest the changes that you desire in your life are easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Begin living right now. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Click the bell icon. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life, and we have other videos on how to change your appearance. Check them out too. You have a great day, because you, yes, you are beautiful and you're perfect.